Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2019 Hennessey Velociraptor 600 sitting on a set of Asanti 22-inch wheels wrapped in some grabber tires. Truck's all tuned by Hennessy. Got a 3-inch lift, tuned suspension, leveling kit. It is the baddest truck on earth. Wider flares, Fox shocks, custom exhaust, born a F-150 Raptor. Beautiful shape too. Tow package, hooks, bed liner, big wide flares. These are 22-inch Asantes, 37 by 12 and a half. This truck sounds so good. All leather and carbon in here. Nice big step. All weather mats. 42,271 miles. Whew. Man, that sounds amazing. Loaded with nav, carbon fiber, automatic climate control, trailer backup. Amazing. Overhead console. And this is, they're all numbered. Number 203. Built by Hennessy. Gorgeous truck. Heated front and rear seats. Very lofty back here. Panel roof. Leather mats all the way around. Beautiful. And then these wheels set it off. Blind spot radar. Tons of horsepower, gobs of torque. Hennessy puts about 500 miles on these trucks. Beautiful. These big wide flares. Killer. Custom hood. Definitely mean looking. Well, guys, give me a call, 631-339-0399. Also, check out more fit pictures and information on our website. It's weebieautos.com. Smash that subscribe button. Give me a call, 631 339 0399. Thanks.